Hey folks, today on the Real Meat Stick, we're going to be unboxing Meat's 50-pound meat mixer. This thing's a beast, and what's nice about it is it's got a manual operation and it hooks up to our number 32 grinder with 1.5 horsepower motor, so it'll push through anything. Let's go ahead and open it up. Once again, Meat doing a great job. Double boxing everything. Let's work smarter instead of harder. We don't need this box anymore. You know, I know it's more work to double box everything and send it over, but they don't pass that cost on to you. And one of the things that I appreciate is sometimes the outer boxes can get damaged in shipping and storage, but the item inside never gets damaged. Wonderful. So the first thing we find is that we've got a 50-pound meat mixer. This thing is huge. I'm going to pull this out of the bottom. I have a feeling we're going to need that. Nothing in there. Oh, this is the cover to put on top. We'll use that to light a fire. Here's another one to fan the flame. If your wife is anything like mine, she's not going to appreciate the styrofoam on the floor and throwing the boxes everywhere. But that's why she's not home right now. She didn't see any of this yet. She's in for a shocker when she gets home. Got a whole bunch of parts inside. Maybe I should take those out first. What I'm thinking is we're going to lock this back in place. Put the feet on the bottom. So by using that 1.5 horsepower grinder over there, being able to grind out 50 pounds, just over 2.5 minutes, means that every 2.5 minutes, I'm going to be making another production of sausage. I'm going to need to get those little guys from upstairs down here, give them all a job. This whole family's going to work. Pretty sturdy. And now we can pull that out, flip this up. get our mixer into the right spot. Look at this thing, a beast. I'm going to give it a tilt down so you can see inside as well. It's got those nice paddle wheels in there. Bring the camera a little closer. So as you can see, loading this up with 50 pounds, then having the ability to mix this by hand, it's a pretty easy process. But why would we want to work so hard? Obviously, we want to work like a gentleman. So what meat's done for us is get rid of this handle. See how we're going to hook this up. We'll bring over our grinder. That is a beast. The other thing we're going to have to do is lower it down so that it fits to the right size. Boy, I was way off on height. Well, at least this will be a set it and forget it height. Oh, there we go. We got the right height now. Now all we have to do is level it off. Well, looks like that's it. That's how we'd run this together. That is awesome. Look at this. So you can't have a good sausage without a good mixer. A meats mixer can handle up to 50 pounds of your favorite meats in a durable, tilt-loaded stainless steel tub. The ergonomic, reversible handle makes mixing comfortable and easy, and the transparent plastic cover enables you to keep a close eye on that meat that you're mixing up. Let's put that on top. I forgot about that. That's great. Then we can add all of our wet ingredients and dry ingredients right through here. The mixer stands on 4 adjustable rubber feet for stability when mixing all your favorite meats, and it has the ability to hook up to the meat 1.5 horsepower grinder. This is not compatible with other meat grinders or outside grinders. It's stainless steel construction, see-through plastic cover, adjustable rubber feet, and tilt loading enabled. All in, this 50-pound hopper weighs 41 pounds. It's 17 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 20 inches high. This is going to get a whole lot of use. And let me tell you, folks, for a commercial setup to be able to use in a residential home, you can't beat the price, and you definitely can't beat the quality and productivity that you're going to be able to turn out with this. Once again, this is Dave with the Meat Stick, asking you to like, subscribe, ring that bell, and whatever else that you have to do so that I can keep you interested on the next unboxing and the future sausage coming your way. See you in the next video.